discuss about fire control and safety plan.
But before we start, let us introduce ourselves.
This is the Cadet Miko Fertos.
And I'm the Cadet Ligasan Ken.
And I'm the Cadet Rosal Jerome Bryant.
10 seconds later.
There are many types of fire control and safety plan, like factory, buildings, and malls, and many more. Since we are maritime students, we'd like to represent a fire control and safety plan about ships.
The fire control and safety plan.
The fire control plan is a mandatory requirement of SOLAS Convention described in Regulation 15 of Chapter 2. The fire control plan provides us information about the station on each deck of ship on various bulkheads and in spaces enclosed, and it is classified as A-class division and B-class divisions.
So, the main question is, what is the main purpose of fire control and safety plan on board?
The main purpose of this fire control and safety plan is for everyone's safety on board, because we don't know when and where accidents happen on board ships.
Where can we find all these equipments and safety signs on board ship? Most especially if we cadets, if it's your first time going on board. So as you can see on the plan, you can see a lot of signs, equipments here in the plan. But it's gonna get you confused because we don't know yet, we're not yet familiarized to where is it really located. So you need to find the place to find it. On this side of the plan, you can see the exact locations and exact symbols of the things that you need for emergency or for any accident. Let's say, for example, you need to have a lifeboat. The lifeboat would be located in the second deck. There's one lifeboat that's available for us to be used. The second example that we have, let's say, for example, the life raft. The life raft can be found in two different places. One is on the upper deck, and then the second one is on the first deck. So everything that you can see on the plan can actually be found on this part of the chart where you'll see each exact location.
So that's it! We're done! Thanks for watching our videos!
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. Bye-bye!